What's up, guys, and welcome back to another adventure. Right now I'm pretty messed up. We just got done drinking for like the last 4 hours. Right now we're heading to Rainbow Mountain.
Don't even fuck with
Oh!
me, bro. Don't even fuck with me.
Hey, we haven't had no sleep, yo. We're going to Rainbow Mountain.
Yo, we gotta be on the bus in 3 minutes, bro.
Hopefully we don't die. Hey, check it out real quick. Hey, I'm with the boys right now. We've had a fucking crazy day, actually.
Fuck yeah. You are a hot motherfucker.
Hey, and that's exactly it. Hey, yo, I don't really understand what's going on right now. What's going on, bro?
Okay, so we're all drunk as fuck, and we're leaving in like 2 minutes to go to Rainbow Mountain. We have a 3-hour bus ride where we're gonna sleep, and then we have a 3-hour walk up a hill, and we're gonna get so dead.
It's gonna be fucking insane, yo. So stay tuned because this whole day is about to be fucked.
We're trying to get to Rainbow Mountain, but this shit is fucking hard. And I had no fucking idea that it was gonna be this hard. So you better fucking wait for this shit.
Pagamos para cinco. Hey, estamos borrachos, pero no es tu culpa. Alright, guys, so we just got picked up by our tour guide.
Dude, should I wake Gillis up or should I just leave him?
Should we leave him?
Yeah, we leave him. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna leave the homie. We're leaving the homie. This is bad. Yo, we just found a bus. What the fuck?
Where's your backpack, bro?
Oh, he has my backpack.
I with me.
What do you mean, bro?
Yo, bro, I bought all you fuckers rounds, bro. I bought you all rounds, bro.
Alright, so far this has been a successful morning, except we forgot one of the boys at home.
It's fucked, bro.
Dude, we haven't got no sleep. What's going on with us right now?
Dude, we're in a fucking bus. We're so fucked up, and we have a 3-hour ride, and then we're gonna do Rainbow Mountain.
Yo, we're climbing 5,000 meters. This fucked up. Just wait to see what happens, guys.
Fuck that shit.
Dude, in 2 hours we're gonna be like at 5,000 meters. We're gonna, dude, we're gonna be so fucked up.
Yo, we got a spliff and the bottle of Pisco to Perry. Like,
We don't have.
Yo, what's up, guys? I don't know what the fuck just happened. I woke up in a bus. Oh, look how fucked up we are. Alright, so we just arrived here where we're about to have our breakfast. It's probably about to be bread, jam, and a pancake, but fuck it. I'm so hungry right now.
We need to eat something, and then we're gonna sleep.
Hey, yo, check it out, dude. We called it. It's insane. We already know what's going on here. Like, we got this whole thing down. Like, we're making bad decisions every day, but you can't really complain too much, right?
Dude, tonight we're gonna make a good decision though. We're gonna go out. We're gonna get fucked.
We brought a bottle of Pisco with us. We're getting fucked up at 5,000 meters, guys. Like, it's gonna be insane. We left the bottle?
We don't even
No,
have the fucking bottle.
you left the bottle.
No, you actually left the bottle.
Fuck out of here. Don't blame me, dude.
This is not on me.
Guys, what's really going on right now, though?
So this guy just fucking bought beers.
We just bought a round of beers,
That's
guys.
the best decision he ever made.
It's a fact, actually. Hey, check out the current situation, guys. This is what's going down right now. What time is it?
Fucking early.
Time to fuck off.
It's like 3 hours later than when we got on the bus. At fucking 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Tanked.
Yo, guys, so we got told by our guia that it was gonna be a little cold up there, so check out my new hat and my gloves. Not bad, huh? For 20 sol. Yeah, I'm being a good friend, so I just shared my beer with Benedict, but I think I just made his whole morning, actually.
It's fucking best shit I've ever had.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Yo, guys, so after a 4.5 hour shitty bus ride, we finally made it to the Montaña de Colores, and we're gonna give this place a go. But to be honest, there's hundreds of vans out here, so it might be worse than Disneyland. Yo, guys, literally check out this situation. We left the club and straight got on the van.
I could not.
I'm in jeans, yo. I left my hiking shoes. This is gonna be rough.
Chris, there's old ladies walking this. We're gonna be so fine. We're gonna do this.
We're crushing this shit, guys. Like, I don't know. The situation's a little bit rough. Like, look at this guy, dude. You can see it all over his face.
Where's Colton? Where's Colton?
Not even looking at the positive side. Like
This is so true, guys.
fucking beautiful.
If you
though.
guys watch my last videos, it's been a
This
mess.
is fucking beautiful though. Like look at that shit.
It's nature, man. What can you say? Benedict's
that
being a
fucking
drunk
water, man.
asshole, like, but Colton's not fucking around.
Bro,
Just have your fucking water.
I climbed 14ers for breakfast and I feel like shit right now at this altitude. Probably because I haven't slept at all and we've been fucked up for 48 hours.
We just got our tickets. 10 sol. 10 sol, yo. $3 to go see this beautiful mountain. Let's check it out.
This better fucking look like this fucking photo.
Yo, it better look like this fucking photo. Buenos dias.
I have altitude sickness right now. I literally,
Alright guys, so far this hike is being a lot more positive than the last one. We're not struggling as hard, but
Probably
we
'cause
are a
we're
little bit
already drunk.
intoxicated. Exactly.
like this is
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
this is rough.
Solo.
But honestly, we still got our buzz on from last night,
Yeah.
and we're gonna keep that positivity going all the way to the top.
the summit.
We're summiting this bitch. Yo, check out this amazing landscape, guys.
Yeah, I have everything. The grind of the papers and
Alright guys, we're only about 10 minutes in, but I'm gonna make one recommendation. Do not come straight after the club.
Dude, don't come drunk.
We're so drunk, dude. And don't drink a beer at the rest stop. That's a bad idea.
That was stupid.
As much as we're struggling right now because of personal poor life decisions, this place is absolutely amazing. The mountain we're climbing up to right now is called Rainbow Mountain, or Montaña de las Colores. And basically it has like 7 to 10 different colors. I'm out of breath. But they're all made from different minerals. Quartz,
Magnesium.
magnesium,
What's up? Iron.
iron. Yeah, a lot of shit. Update. We're about 30 minutes into the hike and we're struggling so bad.
are we in 30 minutes?
Like 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow, dude. To be honest, there's only one of us that's really prepared for this right now, and that's Benedict.
I'm still fucking drunk, dude. Fuck off.
Hey, how over this shit are you?
Dude, I just feel like ass, bro. Like literally like I'm gonna die.
Alright guys, so fun fact about the Rainbow Mountain. The Rainbow Mountain was only discovered about 50 years ago. And it's only been discovered because global warming. So we gotta stop fucking this world up, man. At one point this whole mountain was covered in snow 365 days of the year. So yeah guys, we might not be making it up to the Rainbow Mountain actually.
This might be the final destination.
This might be the move, man. I'm pretty content right now. Check this out.
Dude, I'm having a good time. Gracias, caballero. Oh, what the fuck is...
Oh yeah.
Oh, from my
Can you give me real quick? Dude, that shit's so nice, yo. It's like the only thing that helped. Alright, so what we just had there was agua florida. It's made up of a bunch of different herbs and it's supposed to help with the altitude sickness. My friend here, let me have some.
Hey, hello, my friend.
Yeah, I'm totally having mixed emotions about this place. Like, there's hundreds of people, man. It's hard to enjoy nature when you're just surrounded by this. So I just got done having a photo shoot with the llama. It was pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. Look how cute he is. The worst part about this is right when you think it's over, it's totally not. Look, she understands. Dude, do you hear yourself right now? Listen to this guy. This guy's fucking insane. He wants us to keep walking. There's no way we're walking. We're taking our asses back
That's
down.
5,200.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that's
there's
why.
no way.
I've never been this high before.
Last night we were so much higher, bro.
last night.
I was just drunk, dude.
Alright guys, we're about to start the best part of this trip, the walk down.
Yeah, that's gonna be fucking shit.
The most dangerous.
Yeah guys, the walk down is so much easier. It's actually enjoyable, like I don't mind it.
Yeah.
Even though we still got like fucking forever. I can't even see where we came in from.
It's like so long.
Yo, look at that ass though.
That's some good shit right there, dude.
Would you hit that, bro?
I would definitely hit that every day.
Dura, 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 dura. All right, guys. So we just got done with this. I mean, a pretty amazing day actually, but we're beat, destroyed. We didn't die. We're heading back to Cusco now, so we'll see you guys there. All right, guys. So we finally made it back to Cusco. Thanks for joining us out on Rainbow Mountain.
Thanks. I'm tired.
We're going to the bar, but we're fucking exhausted. If you guys like the channel, please subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think.